Hey, it's David C. with The Brokerage.
And John Defoe with The Brokerage.
So we have a great opportunity for you on one of our new listings out here in a very hard to find place. And it's on Highway 41 right off that Charles Bennett Road.
Yep, Charles Bennett Road, North Mount Pleasant again, David. 2,500 square feet, a beautiful church property here. 0.62 acres, so you have plenty of parking. Side streets, so you don't have a lot of through traffic. Really a great spot here in North Mount Pleasant.
Can't wait for you to see the video because it's a very functional, flexible space. It was originally restored by a wonderful family with a great heart that would love to see a religious facility or some type of charitable organization use the property properly.
They did a lot of work here, David. New windows, new roof, a lot of new electrical, all new carpeting, and the pews are here as well in their storage building, so it's really ready to go.
It is ready to go if there's some type of worship format or some type of civic gathering format, but on top of that, it has a ton of acreage where you could also build, because of the zoning, residential properties. It'd be ideal if you were a church or some type of religious organization or some type of civic organization that also needed to have some residential housing built on the same property.
Absolutely. Like I said, David, ready to go for a church. Someone could move on the property with a new house. Really a great spot.
So come take a look. We're happy to show it to you. This is David C. with The Brokerage. You can reach me at 843-364-6720.
And John Defoe with The Brokerage. Give me a call, 843-813-1228.
Thank you.